Greetings to you all. Welcome to class 9 listening. Page 181. Listen to the dialogue and answer the following questions. A birthday letter. A dialogue between brothers. Raghav. Hi Adav. I need to discuss something important with you. Adav. Hi Raghav. I am free now. Come on, let us discuss. Raghav. Do you remember that coming April 2nd is our parents' wedding anniversary? Adav. Thank you for reminding me, brother. I have almost forgotten that. How shall we celebrate it? Raghav. Shall we plan for a surprise celebration? Adav. Yes, of course, brother. Raghav. How about inviting our friends and close relatives for the party to surprise our parents? Adav. Yeah, that would be a real surprise. Shall we also have cake cutting? Raghav. Yes, we shall. But we have to do something unique. What else shall we do then? Adav. Why don't we make our parents plant a sapling as a part of the celebration? Raghav. That's a good one. I know a person who owns a nursery garden. I will buy mango sapling and will make our parents plant it. Adav. Great. It will be a memorable one. I have saved some money. Let's make use of it for the arrangements. Raghav. Let me also contribute my savings to make this celebration useful and memorable. Now children, you have listened to the dialogue. Now answer the questions. Fill in the blanks. 1. Adav and Raghav are dash. Option A, brothers. Option B, friends. Option C, colleagues. Option D, classmates. Question 2. The brothers are planning to celebrate their dash wedding anniversary. Option A, uncles. Option B, parents. Option C, grandparents. Option D, sisters. Question 3. The wedding anniversary is on dash. Option A, March 2nd. Option B, April 2nd. Option C, May 2nd. Option D, June 2nd. Question 4. As a part of the celebration, the brothers have planned to make their parents to dash. Option A, visit an orphanage. Option B, donate some money. Option C, plant a mango sapling. Option D, conduct a game. Question 5. State whether the statement is true or false. The brothers have decided to borrow money for the wedding anniversary celebration. Tell true or false. Next listening passage, page 194, E section. Listen to the passage and fill in the blanks with appropriate answer. Listen to the passage. Family. Family is where we all belong to and from where our identity comes from. A person is valued based on his family and upbringing. Family is a bond, a long-lasting friendship, relationship that holds a bond with each other. There are many values that one has to learn to get the family bonding in the right manner. Bonding does not happen overnight. It forms with every second, every minute that you spend with your loved ones. The understanding, the acceptance, the belonging, and the security all enclosed together is how a family bond is formed. A close family bond is like a safe harbor where we feel secure and where we trust that we have someone always there to whom we could turn to when we need them the most. It is through a family that we learn the values of love, trust, hope, belief, cultures, morals, traditions, and every little matter that concerns to us. A strong foundation for any individual comes from being with a supportive family. Family is one among the greatest gifts that we get from God. To have parents who support us, teach us values in life, and gives us a strong foundation in character. Teach us the importance of love and being loved, trust to be there for one another, and many other morals that could be attained only from a family. A gift not only with lovable parents, but sibling who care and love us beyond themselves. We cannot buy or demand all these things in life as we are being given to understand their importance. To be part of a happy family, one should always thank God for the blessings we have in lives, as having a family who cares and loves us is the greatest blessing that any person could get in life. Now, children, you have listened to the passage. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate answer. Question 1. A person is valued based on his dash. 2. Dash does not happen overnight. 3. A close family bond is like a dash. 4. A strong foundation for any individual comes from being with a dash. 5. A gift not only with dash but dash who care and love us beyond themselves. I hope you have completed. If not, listen to the passage again. Next, we are going to the reading section, page 182. Anne Frank's diary entry about her birthday. Diary entry. Sunday, June 14, 1942. Dear Kitty, I hope I will be able to confide everything to you. The diary. As I have never been able to confide in anyone, and I hope you will be a great source of comfort and support. I'll begin from the moment I got you, the moment I saw you lying on the table among my other birthday presents. I went along when you were bought, but that doesn't count. On Friday, June 12th, I was awake at 6 o'clock, which isn't surprising since it was my birthday. But I am not allowed to get up at that hour, so I had to control my curiosity until 7:15. When I couldn't wait any longer, I went to the dining room where Muchi, the cat, welcomed me by rubbing against my legs. A little after 7, I went to Dad and Mom and then to the living room to open my presents, and you were the first thing I saw, maybe one of my nicest presents. Then a bouquet of roses, some peonies, and a potted plant from Dad and Mom. I got a blue blouse, a game, a bottle of grape juice, a puzzle, a jar of cold cream, and a gift certificate for 2 books. I got another book as well, Camera Obscura, but my sister Margaret already has it. So I exchanged mine for something else. A platter of homemade cookies which I made myself. Of course, since I have become quite an expert at baking cookies, lots of candy and a strawberry tart from Mother. Then Hanny, my classmate, came to pick me up and we went to school. During recess, I passed out cookies to my teachers and my class, and then it was time to get back to work. As it was my birthday, I got to decide which game my classmates would play, and I chose volleyball. Afterwards, they all danced around me in a circle and sang happy birthday. Now question answers, F section. Answer the following questions based on the given reading passage. What is the name of the diary? Question 2. Why did Anne want to exchange the book Camera Obscura? 3. Who baked the homemade cookies? 4. What game did Anne choose to play? 5. Which gift did Anne value the most? Moving on to read and enjoy page number 195. Memories of My Dad, written by Rebecca D. Cook. He wasn't a hero known by the world, but a hero he was to his little girl. My daddy was God, who knew all things and better than Santa, with the gifts he would bring. I knew his voice before I could speak, and loves it when he would sing me to sleep. He taught me life's lessons, or right from wrong, and instilled in me values that I might be strong. And so, dear Dad, my best memory to recall is the gift of your presence, the greatest gift of all. Hearty thanks to all the subscribers and viewers. I owe a lot to you.